Now what am I supposed to say when the police ask, do I have any weapons in the car? Hey gun fam. So last time we had a discussion about EDC. And today I am going to show you how I carry and why I do. Like I've told you before, I'm not a professional. I am just giving you my opinion and what I do. So, my first one we're gonna start with is, I have a knife. I can take the safety off. And it's a Smith & Wesson knife. Glass breaker. Seatbelt. Clipper on there too. So I carry that on my left side for me as an easy reach across. And then I keep my keys on me so I can't lose them if for any reason I am being attacked. They're stuck on me. I need to put some mace on here and probably something else just to add to it to be on the safe side. And then I conceal carry. So I do this because I don't necessarily have to let anybody know that I'm carrying. Of course, you can see a little bulge. That's fine, that's cool, but element of surprise, I guess. So I carry my SIG 365 XL. And I also have a laser and a light on here for purposes if need be. So I have that also. And I carry that on me. I carry a backpack. Easier than a purse. It's not quick little throw around to keep my arms free. In my bag, I carry up front. So, let me give you an example. I have a thing where if I know I have my gun on my hip, I have easy access to throw my bag around and get inside if need be. So, I have my Glock inside. Got my Glock 43. And I carry an extra mag for the Glock. I carry an extra mag for my SIG. And for whatever gun my husband's carrying, I carry an extra. This is for the Springfield XDE. So this is the extra mag for that also. And that is how I carry every day. This is my EDC. This is my preference. This is what works perfect for me. And I thought I should give you all an insider to see exactly how I carry everything. So this is it. Oh, phone in the back pocket. I always keep my phone in my back pocket, out of the way. If need be, I can grab it. Call, it's on me. It's not in my bag. If someone snatches my bag, it's on me also. So, that's my EDC. Want to give you all a presentation. And I hope you all are having a blessed day. Thank you. Love you. See you guys again soon.